Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's personalize your Bitrix24 to fit your freelance or small business perfectly. First, let's add your branding. Click your profile picture in the top right and go to Company. Here, upload your logo. This will appear throughout the site. Next, customize your dashboard. This is your main screen. Click the Customize button. Add widgets like My Tasks or CRM statistics to see your most important info. Now, let's look at the activity stream. This is like your team's social feed. You can pin important announcements here so they stay at the top. You can also create different streams for specific projects to keep conversations organized. Finally, explore the left-hand menu. You can often hide tools you don't use to simplify your view. This keeps your workspace clean and focused. And that's it. With just a few tweaks, you can make Bitrix24 work the way you do. If this helped you customize your workspace, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.